Hey guys, me Mar, and today, if you guys really want to know, you can see how I'm doing face cam right now. I'm gonna show you guys how to search up screen, um, you, the one I'm doing right now, screen mascot or whatever. Um, I'll type it right now. I'll type it right now. Oh, sorry. Screen, yeah, just see, and then it'll pop up. Then just press it. And then, and yeah, my friend, my cousin started it first, so I have to sponsor him because he started it to help people out to record videos. So I'm sponsored. What am I saying? I don't know. Shout out to him because he made the video first. I don't know. Maybe a lot of people made the video before. I don't know. Don't ask me. And yeah, just type in, just press it, and then it's just gonna pop up. Then you have to download and update, and just wait, and then it's gonna work. And then when it's done, then it's gonna start recording, and it'll show you that black thing, and yeah, whatever, yeah. And yeah, you know, right now, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna play a game right now. Yeah, alright, alright, I don't know. You guys see me? Okay, you guys see me playing? Okay, I started right now. Yeah, I got two controllers. Yeah, I'm playing on this one, so. Yeah. Whoa, something lagged. Oh, yeah. Alright, I guess I end the video here. I died, and I don't know why. Amar, why you end the video? Why you died? Okay, I'm a bot at this game. Yeah, I'm trash. Alright, thank y'all watching my video, and tomorrow, do sync clip. Bye.